Hello everyone, welcome to SS Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about boundary boss base and boundary cut features in SolidWorks. To make you understand this feature, first of all, I will create a plane. Just click on top plane, go to features, click on the down arrow in the reference geometry, select plane from here. Now I am creating a plane which is parallel to the top plane and which is at the 70 mm distance from the top plane. Click OK. Make the top plane visible. Now I will draw two different sketches in these two planes. First of all, select top plane, make it normal to, go to sketch, select a rectangle from here. We will select center rectangle and draw a rectangle in this plane. Like this. Click OK. Now come out of this plane by clicking the exit sketch. Now click on the plane 1, make it normal to, go to sketch, select a circle from here and draw a circle in plane 1. Like this. Click OK. Come out of this sketch by clicking exit sketch. Now I have two different sketches in two different planes. Let's hide these two planes. Right click, hide. Click on plane 1 and make it hide. Now go to features. There is a feature available here, boundary boss base. Just click on it. In the direction, we will select these two sketches. First of all, we will select this circle. Then we will select the rectangle. After that, we can see the model is twisted. So kindly align this green dot like this. Now this is OK. Click OK. So this is boundary base feature. There are some more features available inside this. To access those features, I will go back. Click on boundary, right click, edit sketch. Now first of all, I will select sketch 1, that is our rectangle. There are some options available in this down arrow. Just click on it. First is none. This is our profile which is selected. Second is direction vector which is already provided. And the last is normal to profile. In that case, the feature is trying to start normal to the profile selected, which is our rectangle. We can apply the same end tangency property to this circle also. Just click on sketch 2, which is our circle. Now again click on the down arrow and click normal to profile like this. Just click OK. This is the complete information about the boundary boss feature. Next is boundary cut feature. To make you understand boundary cut feature, first of all, I will hide this feature. Now I will again make those two sketch planes visible. Then I will select top plane, make it normal, go to sketch and let's draw a rectangle here. I will select center rectangle again and draw a rectangle. OK. Come out of this sketch. Then I will select plane 1, make it normal to, go to sketch, select a circle from here and draw a small circle like this. Click OK. Come out of this sketch. Now again I will hide those two planes. Select those two planes and make them hide. Now also make the boundary boss feature visible. Just like the other cut features like lofted cut, extruded cut features, it will also cut out some material from the existing feature. Just go to features, select boundary cut. In direction, we will select these two sketches. Again take care of twisting, make this green dot align like this. Again, if you want the end tangency in this, you can select this. For sketch 4, like this. Just click OK. Now you can see some material is cut out from this existing feature. This is boundary cut feature. If you like this video, kindly press the like and share button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more information. Thanks for watching.